so L3 naman ito na nandiyo sa graduate si Nora. Okay, so do you have any idea what is our topic today? Okay, 6 education. So for you, what is education day? Changes sa mga lawas. 6 education. What else? Go sa HIV. Ano pa? Okay, so 6 education aims to develop and strengthen the ability of children and young people to make conscious. Okay, so 6 education para ma-conscious, satisfying, healthy and respectful choices regarding relationship, okay, sexuality and emotional and physical health. Sexuality education does not encourage children and young people to have sex. Okay, so mauna ang sex education. Para ma-educate, from the word education, para ma-educate ang mga young people not to do it. Okay. Okay na? Okay, so again, na by specific age? Okay, basta mag-menstruation na ang babae. Muna timan girls. So, be mindful and careful. Okay. So, and also put boys. Dili lang kayo sa girls. Also put boys. Okay. Okay, next is dito sa mga changes o nasa sa babae. What are the changes na sa babae? Body shape, menstruation, breast development, pubic hair, body shape, pimples, height, hygiene. Boy, look. Okay, so those are the changes sa girls. And how about sa boys? Pimples, Adam's apple, height, muscles, what else? Pubic hair, voice. Mga sabi ng voice, mababay? Okay, mulaw. Kanang husky kayo ba? Husky? Tigawang dayo, tigawang. What else?
Today I'm going to discuss GMRC stands for Good Manners and Hygiene. Basically, GMRC is about how to be a good person and how you treat others and how you act every day. So, isa ang mga main points sa GMRC. May ganang kuhan ba? Respect ka sa mga dagko. So, sa atong iyo sa
Using who at all.
Kuhan, more respect ka sa mga kuhan.
It's on? Okay, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aaron Pro to discuss fire extinguisher. So, what is fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher is a portable safety device used to put out small fires before they get big and dangerous. Bago na ang fire extinguisher kay kanang safety device ba kanang malitan na ay sunog. Dili pa kayo na dili mo gamiton ng fire extinguisher para dili mo gusto lumayong kayo. Sa fire extinguisher na gamit ako mas bigat sa ano iba. Ang P stands for pull the pin. The note guys, aim the low at the base of the fire. Okay, may ito pang fire. Na fire. The note guys, squeeze the handle. Squeeze. Bawas ang gas or open. Sunod guys, squeeze side to side para matay kayo. Ay, gano'n. Ang proper engine, gano'n. Ganang pag, atiman si Pag Lim. Yes, correct. First, wash body, hair, and private areas first. Sa maligo ka everyday. Mabilan ba rin mga pinakasabi? Oral care. Brush teeth, wash everyday. Dapat. Brush ka ng teeth. Wala sa scratch out. Then, washing. Wash with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before. After using the cleaner. Hugas na rin mo gamot. Before the power. After the power. After the one na siya. Ikaw man yung magaling mo. Ayan. Here. Pag-awig kayo magbuhat na. After the. Yeah. Hair care kayo. Wash regularly to prevent the block or odor. Always ka mag-wash yung mga hair. Magbuhat mo ka. The clothing. Wear clean. Dry clothes. Change underwear. Stop steaming. Face care. Wash. Wash face twice daily. Remove all other. So that's all. We need to follow. We need to follow this.
Thank you so much. Gina! Ulo no, hurot na whites. Huwag mo go on brush. Hmm? Asa man ang kulo na? Ah! Sige lang, basta ma-brush. Dire, why brush dire, are? Wala, katulong katangilo. Bila ka brush ra? Isa ka brush?
Pwede ko yung
Ila DC di ayo, di mo gawon brush.
Hindi! Brad ko no!
Brush.
Pwede ilin.
Kataron na lang.
Pwede ilin. Mga sakit ang Brad. Nagulay ko na.
Tagan niyo na ito, girl box dira sa sir. Tagan niyo po.
Nagati na, hindi ba yun?
Magkuha na dyan, David.
Hey,